Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 40 by 5 power x equal 5 power x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 40 equal 5 power x times 5 power x we can write. So it becomes 40 equal 5 power x plus x. So 40 equal 5 power 2x. So we can write 5 power 2x equal 40. Now if I'll take log on both sides, so log 5 power 2x equal log 40. And as per log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. So it becomes 2x log 5 equal log 40. Now if I'll divide both sides by log 5, so this will cancel out. So 2x equal log 40. I can write it as 5 times 8 by log 5. Now as per log rule, log a times b, we can write it as log a plus log b. So 2x equal log 5 plus log 8 by log 5. Now 2x equal log 5 by log 5 plus log 8 by log 5. So this will cancel out. So 2x equal 1 plus log 8. I can write it as 2 cube by log 5. 2x equal 1 plus this log 2 cube. I can write it as 3 log 2 by log 5. Now 2x equal 1 plus 3 log 2 with base 5. Now if I'll divide both sides by 2, x equal 1 by 2 plus 3 log 2 with base 5 by 2, or x by 2 equal x equal 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 log 2 with base 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.